Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Swarag Beauty channel. So this weekend we've taken up another project, which is getting our basement, the unfinished space, painted. This is the basement floor. We are trying something different. We want to paint one section white and the rest of the section gray. So this is a section that has been painted white already. I painted 2 coats. And this is a section that has not been painted yet. You can see it's not been painted. So we plan on painting this section gray and this one white. We just wanted to see how it turns out. I've seen videos where people do paint their basement floors white. I don't want to take the chance of painting the entire floor white, but at least a portion of it can be white, which might complement the space, I believe. And these are the walls. I might just be touching up the walls. So this is the project that I've taken up. We already have the paint purchased. White, here's the white paint, and here's the gray paint. So because this is a section that's going to be gray, I almost finished painting the borders gray, so I can just keep rolling the paint, and it should be done within the next couple of hours, I believe. So that's my plan, and I'm going to show you the finished look once I'm done with it. Alright guys, this is as far as I've done. You can see this side being painted in gray. It's still fresh. It's still freshly painted, so it's not dried yet. And here's the combination. I think white, I'm going to give it another coat, touch up some of the wall paint so it's like bright and fresh. And then once I'm all done with this side, you should be able to see how it complements the space, the white and the gray. This is, what is it, steel gray, I think is the color that I had purchased. So, we're going to keep on doing this. We also decided to paint over the old tiles, so you can see the old tiles, so we are painting right over it. This is the porch and deck paint. It can be used interior or exterior, so we are hoping that it sticks, but it's really giving this room a very nice fresh look. And this is what it looks like as I'm doing my painting. You can see how the rest of it looks. And this is the other side that's been painted. This is the concrete floor, and this floor has tiles. So I added this project on top of the one that we've already been doing. And you can see the other side of the basement that I just finished painting. And here's another storage room that I have finished painting also. So I'm going to keep at it until I get done. All right, we have finished. We finished getting the basement cleaned and floors completely painted. And this is probably, we anticipated this was going to take about 3 days, but it took us way longer than that. But just wanted to show you the finished look. Neatly painted, spick and span. Probably the largest basement project that we've taken, because the basement, this particular basement is huge. So this was a bit harder. And here's another room, can be locked, and here's the central vacuum. this is that storage area. It's also been painted. Let's go out. Look at that, guys. I mean, we are pretty proud of what we've accomplished, even though it took us way longer. And this is a do-it-yourself project. Initially, we thought of getting everything painted white floors, but we felt that wasn't gonna look good. So I just did this bit and then I switched to the gray color. So you can see how nice it looks. Now let me take you to the other room. Here's another area. This is like a work area. Lots of cabinets. That's that. And here's the other side of the basement. We painted over the tiles, as you know, so I could have gone with 2 coats, but I'm like, you know, this looks good enough. So this is the look. We also painted the walls a bit to give it a fresh look, so you can see how the wall nicely complements the floor. And here's the other storage area. Like I said, this is a huge basement. Tons of space. This whole house has a ton of space, storage space. So you got a room here, you got a room there, you got a workroom, you got a entire large basement to do whatever you want. And that's the finished look. Thank you for sticking with me. Hope you like this video. If you have any comments, feel free to share, and will come to you with another interesting home makeover video, because that seemed to be our passion these days. So talk to you guys soon.